Okay, students will go ahead and go to their homeroom like they have been doing, and there will always be a schedule, a Monday, group A, Monday, group B, Tuesday, whatever it is, there's always going to be a schedule there. And what they're going to do is go ahead and let's say they're group A, they click on their schedule and the schedule opens up. They'll keep this schedule up here throughout the day. So in this case of Monday, when the students go back to school, they'll see their Monday schedule. They may not open this till the afternoon because they're going to be on the computer in the afternoon, but then they'll see their afternoon schedule, and they can keep this open throughout the whole afternoon. And there is a stopwatch here also. So when they click on this stopwatch, and in my computer, and this was happening on their computer too, you could see the whole thing, but something changed where they only see this box. So now they have to click on this box to copy the link, and then they open up a new tab and Control V to copy it and enter. Now they have their stopwatch open, they have their schedule open, and in this case, the first thing that they're going to do is reading eSpark. So they click on reading eSpark, and it says they have to do this for 20 minutes. So here they're going to go ahead and log in, and they can go here to their stopwatch, and we can go ahead to a countdown, and they can go ahead and put in 20 minutes and start. And then they can go ahead and work on their signing in and going to their eSpark. When the timer is up, it'll ring and they will know that it is time to move on to the next activity.